Hi, my name is Matthew.
Hi, my name is Arjun.
Hi, my name is Logan.
Hi, everyone. This game is developed using the Python turtle called Racing Heroes. The basic idea of the game is that 5 superheroes, Captain America, Batman, Flash, Superman, and Spider-Man participate in a racing game. The player is asked to make a guess who will win the race. A racing game will start after the game player makes a bet. A random game result will compare to the game player's result. First, they have to input a number from 1 to 5 to represent any hero the game player chooses to win. The game will tell the player who you choose, and the game will start. Now, the scene will change, and all 5 superheroes are racing in the track field built using codes. The result will be randomly controlled by the random function in the Python turtle. At the end, the game will announce the winner, and the code will compare to the race result and game player's guess result. This will be the last scene of the game.
Anything you learn from this project? In this final project, we are using lots of what we have learned in other classes. First, we define functions, use for loops and while loops, and conditional if statements, etc. Other than that, a technique of using custom images to replace a built-in turtle is also used. All the cartoon images are inserted by this technique.
Of course, there are a few things that can be done to improve this game. Some options buttons can be added to quit or resume the game. Background music can be added while the game is ongoing.